Hi, here we are back with 123D circuits, and I'm gonna do the blink video, redo that. I found a guy that posted one, so I'm pretty much gonna redo his video so you can see it on closer on this simulated breadboard. I found the Arduino by clicking this category of Arduino Basic Kit, and there's an Arduino down here. And what I realized, I didn't like the way this was facing. I wanted to rotate it. So I discovered up here, which is off my screen, I apologize, but there's a rotate button. So if I have my Arduino board selected, I can rotate it, which is quite nice. Okay, so when the guy was hooking up the Arduino, he wanted us wiring it into pin 8. So now pin 8 is connected to the breadboard. That's going to go into the resistor. So I'm going to pull the resistor over here and plant that end there, and now I'll wire this end down to the breadboard. My LED, I actually want it going the other way, so I'm going to go back to this rotate thing. And so it'll look upside down, but my positive wire's there. And so my negative, my ground, is going to go from here to ground, but I don't know which side of this is ground. Let me move it to the side. The top row is ground. I think maybe I'll leave this over here. No, maybe I'll do that. Okay, so now I need to connect my short leg to ground. And it's not a full circuit yet because I have to wire my red. I'm going to wire it to 3.35 volts, I guess. I'm going to turn this wire black because it's representing ground. And I'm just going to make this a different color. Orange, maybe. Or green. And I think I'll make that interesting. They don't have yellow. I'll go with gray. So that should be the same circuit that gentleman used. Again, I can move this around, and I'm not thrilled where everything is, but okay, I'll leave that like that for now, and come back and do the coding. Coding. Ooh. Okay, so just as he did, we have a void setup and a void loop, and here we have to put pin mode, which starts with a lowercase, I believe, and it's pin 8 we're connected to, and we want to that. Arduino is case sensitive. It has to be in all uppercase. And then this is called camel script when each mode gets a capital letter. So I'm pretty sure that's correct. And then down here, we're going to say, oops, not all caps, digital right to pin 8, high, which is all caps again, I think. And we have a delay. 500 milliseconds is half a second, so I like that to start with. Digital right, low, and delay 5 half a second again. forget the second delay. It doesn't really go off. And so I haven't done this before in this 123D, but I should be able to upload this and run it. So let's see. I guess I need to hide this somehow. Oh, I guess I can pull this up. Maybe, not sure. Well, we can't see if it's working. It doesn't look like it's working, so I'm going to stop the simulation. And figure out how I can move this stuff. Hi, I'm back. The program was right. Everything was working fine. The problem is I didn't have a battery. And it's because when you're using one of these on your computer and it's plugged in, the Arduino gets power from your computer. So silly me, I wasn't used to plugging a battery into the breadboard when I have an Arduino. So there's my clicking thing, and there's my code. And so if I want to change my code, for example, I can make this slow, changing this to 1000, this to 1000, and hit upload again. And now it's a slower blink. So it's pretty cool that we can do this electronically, but you should be able to do this pretty easily by setting it up and giving it a go. And that's a pretty simple program. Okay, good luck.